I'm Harley Morano with Android Authority, and today we are going to be going hands-on with the Honor Magic V. So the Honor Magic V is actually the company's first foray into the world of foldable smartphones. And it just so happens that the Magic V is also the first foldable smartphone to come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. Other specs for this phone include 12 GB of RAM and either 256 GB or 512 GB of storage. The phone is also going to be shipping with Android 12 with Honor's Magic UI 6 installed. On the back of the device, you're going to find a triple camera system, which is composed of an ultra-wide camera, a wide camera, and a spectrum enhanced camera. There are also front-facing cameras located near the inner display and the outer display. Speaking of which, the Honor Magic V features a 6.45-inch outer display with a refresh rate of up to 90 Hz. Meanwhile, the inner display measures out at 7.5 inches and has a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Now, these screen sizes actually make this phone a little bit taller and wider than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. And if you want to compare the Honor Magic V to another foldable, Honor's offering is significantly bigger than Oppo's foldable, which is the Find N. Overall, the design of this phone is actually quite nice and premium feeling. In fact, I'm a big fan of the eco leather backing because it feels way less slippery in the hand compared to something like the Galaxy Z Fold 3. However, after getting our hands on this device for a while, the team and I agree that the hinge on the Magic V isn't as buttery smooth as that of the Z Fold 3. And if we're really nitpicking, the crease on the Magic V seems a little bit first gen. To be fair to Honor, this is a first gen foldable from the company. Now, if you like this phone and want to buy one for yourself, well, you probably can't. And that is because the Honor Magic V is only being sold in China right now. In fact, this phone launched back in January to the Chinese market. And even if you were in China and wanted to get your hands on one of these devices, it's very likely you won't because the Honor Magic V sold out fast. The company did mention that it hopes to launch the sequel to the Magic V to the global market in some shape or form. However, there were no details given about what the final product may end up being, or where and when and for how much they'd be releasing that device for. So we're really just gonna have to wait and see. If you want to read our full hands-on review of the Honor Magic V, or keep up to date with our coverage of MWC 2022, make sure to check us out at androidauthority.com. I'm Harley Moranin. See you in the next video.